Niagara Health took a bold step today with the launch of the Niagara Health Knowledge Institute. The new initiative will improve healthcare and patient outcomes through research and education.
It is unusual for a community hospital, but Niagara Health has become unusual. You know, over the last decade, we have really grown into our own. And the amount of research that has been going on here, and particularly during COVID, you know, our physicians published more than 24 articles in prominent journals through the pandemic. So we have sort of grown into our own, and we have the courage and the people now to take on something of this nature. And why not become a national leader?
And what happens now?
Now we need to start planning on how this all rolls out. Of course, there are going to be people we want to attract to come and help us execute this work. And of course, it's always about priority setting. What is important for our community? What are our community needs with regards to care? That will inform the research we will look into.
A $4 million donation by the McCall-McBain Foundation helped take the Institute from a vision to today's announcement.
The connection to Niagara is that John McCall-McBain grew up in Niagara Falls, and he still has roots here and ties to the community, and he still gives considerably in this community. So we reached out to the McCall-McBain Foundation to see if there would be interest in giving to this project, and they were very excited to do so, and we're very happy to have them on as a donor. The foundation works very hard to obtain donations within the Niagara community, and in the past we've always raised funds for equipment needs at Niagara Health. But part of our mission is also to raise funds for research at Niagara Health, and this donation is the first of its size for research at Niagara Health, which is just incredible for this community.
Look for some of the research of the Knowledge Institute to be focused on aging.
We already have some projects lined up. We are going to focus, as Dr. Sang has alluded to you, on a wide spectrum, but we're very focused in the early days to start looking at the older person research. We recognize Niagara is a community where we're all aging a little, and we have specific needs within healthcare. And for us to focus on research in that environment is really important.
Our region has a higher percentage of older people in the region, so we will develop a large research program focusing on ways to care for older person, preventing falls, preventing delirium in the hospital, treating sepsis. There's many different areas that we could focus our effort in to improve the care of our older people.
Niagara Health believes the Institute will help attract and retain staff in what is a very competitive job market.
Currently, we have a significant health human resource crisis, but research has shown that hospitals that do research increase job satisfaction for the healthcare staff, improve recruitment retention. So with the launch of the Knowledge Institute, we are confident that that's going to help us recruit and retain talents to work in this region and to provide care for our populations.
In St. Catharines, reporting for The Source, I'm Brenda Schultz.